guys, a very dear friend of mine, a colleague of mine. He's the pastor of the Metaphysical Chapel of South Florida, which is in Fort Lauderdale, to give a little introduction on what to expect and what we're going to do tonight. So please give your love and light to Reverend Kevin Lee.
Hey guys, good to see you. It's good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. So I just want to kind of open up this evening to kind of get us all into the same vibration. Tell you a little bit, especially our first-time guest today. This really is for you. It's just because we are all old-timers. We've had this feel many times. What I want to say to you is this: we demonstrate this type of evening service as a demonstration of our core beliefs that the soul, the essence of who I am, continues on into the higher planes. We demonstrate that scientifically through the work that we're going to do this evening, through various techniques at which we will discuss, the psychometry, the mediumship, psychic connection. We utilize a lot of tools in order to connect with different energies, different intelligences. And so as this evening progresses forward, there will be, we will ask you to, I'll just go ahead and tell you now, when we work with you, when we come to you, we ask you to say your name. That connects our soul with your soul on that voice vibration, right? So then also we want you to say, my name is, and then we also want you to say, it's a beautiful evening, something like that, because that connection really does create a link between the two of us, and then we connect in with spirit and hear what they have to say, those who are with us.